Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Lazos Espindola, and I'm gonna talk to you about the cycle of life, more specifically about the death and afterlife. The cycle of life is a continual cycle. Scientifically speaking, the cycle of life, or also called life cycle, is a series of stages a living thing goes through, such as humans, animals, etc. There are various stages as you can see on the screen. Afterlife is the belief that there is a possibility to continue existing in another form after dying, and also death is the end of life. For the Egyptians, the afterlife and death was a big deal. There were ceremonies such as preparations, burials, etc. For them, death was a transition, not the end of a cycle. The afterlife and death have always been one of the most iconic and important themes for their culture. And as the preparations mentioned above, there's some like getting amulets, mummification, coffees, and the construction of tombs. One artwork I chose was the Valley of the Kings, and I'm going to speak to you right now about it. It is located at the west of the Nile River near Luxor and is a very important architectural piece. It was designated to be a burial chamber for royal burials and tombs. Based in stone, the chambers in this architectural piece were built by carving the stones with copper or bronze chisels. The walls were smoothed up using muna, which was a plaster made of straw, quartz, limestone, and clay. We can see a lot of paintings in this place. Another artwork I chose is the mummy portrait of a bearded man. This portrait, attributed to the Brooklyn painter, is a portrait of a man that was supposedly mummified. In this painting, we get to see a front-faced man dressed in a white tunic with blue woven stripes. It shows him holding a glass in his right hand, and in his left hand we see a wreath of folded rose petals. This portrait is made out of temperas in a cedar of Lebanon. This famous art piece was completed with a white ghetto base, an organic red pigment called madder, indigo pigment, yellow, and green. And the final artwork I chose was Queen Nefertari playing Senate. This painting's artist is Nina de Garis Davis, which was a famous Egyptologist. It was made in a vignette. She restored this important painting dedicated to Nefertari, the great royal wife and principal queen of Ramses II. This artwork shows us the queen playing a game of Senet against an invisible opponent. This is a very symbolic artwork because Senet means passing and in the image we perceive her playing Senet. The game symbolizes the journey into the afterlife and all the obstacles the soul had to overcome and deal to get there. It is a two-dimensional painting made by doing brush strokes. It's filled also with different symbols. The color palette used in this painting is neutral, mainly yellow, but we also see the use of green and red. Thank you. Hope you liked it.